The best credit card tips for a stable financial life. Hi, it's Luigi, and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. Your wallet is most likely feeling the consequences of increased prices of gas, food, and other basic needs. While you can't avoid inflation, you can try planning ahead of time and keep more money from escaping your pockets. What are credit cards? How do we use them? Are credit cards better than cash? See, with a credit card, you can make purchases and pay for them later. In that way, it is similar to a short-term loan. When you use a credit card to make a transaction, you are essentially using the money of the credit card company. You then repay the credit card provider, either with or without interest, depending on the timing of your payment. The primary distinction between cash and credit is that one is your money and the other is the bank's money. When you pay with cash, you just hand over the money, take your items, and walk away. That's fantastic, as long as you have the funds. Did you know that in 2019, around 2.8 billion credit cards were in circulation around the world? Yes, that's how many people use credit cards. As opposed to carrying cash, credit cards are more convenient and secure. A credit card is a sensible and desired alternative to cash for in-person purchases and a required tool for online transactions, as long as you can pay your bill in full. With the ongoing inflation, it is expected that all expenses will significantly increase. If you're a credit card user or planning to be one in the future, here are the best credit card tips to help you achieve a stable financial life. Pay off your balance every month. By paying off your credit card amount in full each billing cycle, you can avoid paying interest on your purchases. Resist the urge to spend more than you can afford in any given month, and you'll get the benefits of using a credit card without incurring interest charges. You could end yourself spending hundreds of dollars in late fees if you repeatedly skip payments. When your credit score suffers, you may incur hundreds of dollars in interest when qualifying for future mortgages or loans. If you can't pay your account on time, it's time to chop up your card. Every credit card is unique, with variable billing cycles, payment dates, and grace periods. Examine the information on your credit card to see how it works in your specific scenario. Pay more than the minimum. Making your credit card minimum payments on time each billing cycle helps you from incurring penalties and fines. Paying the bare minimum also keeps your account in good standing. However, if you merely pay the minimum, you will carry a balance, and you'll be charged interest on the outstanding debt. These interest charges make it more difficult to repay your credit card debt. So, if possible, pay off your credit card balance in full each month. Check your monthly statements carefully. Checking your credit card statements on a regular basis, either online or when they arrive in the mail, can be a fantastic method to keep track of your spending. This can help you spot unfamiliar or shady transactions in your transaction history early, and this way you can protect yourself from fraud. If you discover an unauthorized charge, notify your credit card company right away. The sooner you detect and report credit card theft, the sooner you can put a stop to any fraudulent purchases made in your name. Use the card for needs, not wants. A credit card should be used with caution. Spending money on things you don't need can lead to debt. Credit cards can be utilized in emergencies, such as when you have a phone bill that is due before the next payday. Use the credit card as a temporary loan to yourself and then pay off the balance as soon as possible to reduce or prevent interest costs. As they all say, spend your money wisely and swipe only if necessary. Don't leave any rewards behind. Use credit cards as budgeting tools if you've mastered managing several credit cards without incurring debt. Set spending alerts based on your budget to be notified when it's time to stop adding purchases. To maximize the value of the cards that collect rewards, assign planned purchases to each one. Groceries are expected to become much more expensive considering the high prices of gas and fuel for logistics. Food at home, purchased from grocery shops and supermarkets, is expected to rise up to 4% in 2022. This is according to the USDA's Food Price Outlook. A credit card that earns points on grocery purchases can help you save money on your shopping. Aim for a 2% or higher return on your grocery purchases in the form of rewards. You can also get the most out of your money by combining it with other rewards programs, such as in-store rewards, discount apps, and online cashback buying platforms such as Rakuten or Ibotta. Also, consider the prices of buying generic or in bulk to see whether it's worthwhile to switch techniques. You can also save money by purchasing less expensive products and experimenting with different recipes. Free up money with your credit cards. It is possible to come out ahead if you use your credit cards carefully, paying them off in full to avoid interest charges and taking use of their features. Consider whether your credit cards include any of the following features. Does your credit card honor merchant-specific discounts? Many major credit card companies have card-linked deals that provide discounts or extra rewards on purchases. Look for discounts or rewards on planned purchases to get the most bang for your buck. Check for your card's benefits. To discover more about the benefits of your credit card, log into your account or call the credit card company. An issuer may provide money-saving services such as cell phone protection or unique discounts through the credit card network. A perk like cell phone protection can offer you money back to spend on groceries or gas, for example. If you're currently paying for coverage on many lines, it may be a large chunk of bucks. You may be eligible for coverage if your cell phone bill is paid using the card that gives the benefit and if the additional conditions are met. Always check for balance transfers. Whether or not interest rates keep going up, it's important to be on track to pay off debt as quickly as possible. A balance transfer offer on a credit card can put interest payments on hold so that you can pay off your debt faster. Of course, it's much more difficult to do when prices are going up all over the place. You may not need to apply for a new credit card to get a balance transfer in some instances. Current credit card issuer offers may be waiting in your email inbox or account. If you have 2 or more credit cards with high amounts, you can take advantage of the opportunity to transfer balances from various credit card issuers to get a cheaper interest rate. Select the offer with the lowest fee that allows you to transfer the most debt. To pay off debt rapidly, stop using any credit cards. Download the mobile app. With the ever-evolving digital world we're in, mobile apps have become a must in many actions we take, from food deliveries, grocery shopping, logistics, and even dating. Mobile apps are some of the top tools we use. If you want, you may manage your credit card account on the move by using the mobile app for your credit card. You can log in at any time to view your balance, check your available credit, ensure that your payment has been posted, and do other things too. Much of this might be done through your phone's browser, but applications are frequently built for faster, easier use on mobile devices. To sum it all up, Credit cards are significantly convenient to use. Whether you're traveling in a foreign place or just ran out of cash in the gas station, a credit card can save you. Just be wary of your credit limits and follow these tips so you can achieve your long-awaited financial stability. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you can be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism. See you later.